Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Splendour Hub. Complete list of first woman in Pakistan. First female scuba diving instructor of Pakistan is Rushin Khan. First Pakistani lady to surmount Everest, Samina Beg. First captain of women cricket team of Pakistan was Shazia Khan. Pioneer of women cricket in Pakistan were Shazia Khan and Sharmeen Khan, both are sisters. First woman governor of Sindh, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. The first woman who was part of delegate first sent to UNA was Begum Salma Tasadduq Jilani. First female member of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan, Begum Shaista Ikramullah Sohrawardi. First and only Pakistani lady to win Nobel Peace Prize is Malala Yousafzai. First Pakistani woman lady to win Oscar Award, Sharmeen Ubaid Chinoy. First woman judge of Balochistan High Court, Majida Rizvi. First female judge of Supreme Court of Pakistan, Aisha Malik. First female ambassador of Pakistan to Netherlands, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan. First Lady Major General Shahida Malik. First Lady to get commercial pilot license, Shukriya Khanam. First Lady Lieutenant General Nigar Johar Khan. First Lady Fighter Pilot of Pakistan, Aisha Farooq. First Lady Shaheed Pilot of Pakistan, Maryam Mukhtar. First woman PM of Pakistan, Benazir Bhutto. First woman Chief Justice of Balochistan High Court, Sayyida Tahira Safdar.